In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to add music in DaVinci Resolve. So to add music, firstly we need to open media pool from here, then right click here, then click on import media, or you can use the shortcut key which is Ctrl+I on Windows or Command+I on Mac. When you click on it, then we have to select the audio file or music file which you wanna insert. So I want to add this background music, so I'll just select it from here. So I want to add a thriller music, select the audio file and then click on open. Once your audio file is uploaded here, we just have to drag and drop it on our audio track like this, and then we can just click on this full extend zoom and it will show us the full view. And to change the duration of this audio clip, we can just drag the corner handles like this. You can do that from the other side too and place it anywhere you want to have. If you want to change the audio levels, then for that just take your cursor between this clip like this, and then your cursor will be changed to this icon and drag and hold it down like this. So I want to make it -16 dB. So I'll just make it like this. If you want to add a fade in and fade out effect, then for that just hover over the end of your clip or start of your clip and you'll see this icon here. So we just have to drag it like this and then a fade in will be added. And to add a fade out, we just have to take our cursor to the end of the audio clip and then click on this button here and drag it to whatever position you want to drag it to. And that's how you can add music in DaVinci Resolve 20. If you've done everything here, to render your video, just go to the deliver tab and then you can render your video from there. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.